This is how to change the default app on your Android phone to Google Messages. If you have another app for text messages, you could use that, but I prefer Google Messages. If you don't have it already, first you have to install the Google Messages app, and you install it from the Google Play Store. Google Messages from Google LLC. This is the app, and you will have the option to install, and then you can open it from here. And then you also have to do one more step in the settings. In the app section, scroll until you see default apps. And here you have the option for different things. You can change even the launcher. You can change the home screen, launcher, the phone app, and everything, the wallet app. Here you can change the digital assistant app, the home screen, the launcher, the phone app, and the SMS app. And here, if you have something other than messages, this app, you can tap on this one to select it and then go back. I only have messages because I only use the messages app. This is the messages app from Google, and now it's ready to use. When you receive a text message, if you have the messages set as default, you will receive that text message in this app. The same with the phone app. If you have the phone app as a default, which I already have, you will receive phone calls in the phone app. If this video helped you, leave a like below and also subscribe to this channel. It really helps this channel a lot if you subscribe, and also you learn how to use your devices. Thanks for watching.